Hey there, it's Dr. John DeGarmo with the Foster Care Institute Tip of the Week. And you can see that this week I'm here at my personal library. In fact, if you look at the wall right there and the wall over there, you would see bookshelves as well. I love books. I love learning. Learning never stops. At the same time, I also love good stories. I love to read. Maybe you do too. Here's this week's tip. When I became a foster parent 20 plus years ago, and I did my doctorate in foster care, there wasn't a lot of books out there about foster care. Now there's a whole lot. And that's one of the reasons why I wrote a number of my books, to give foster parents information to learn from and to enjoy and to be inspired by and motivated by, etc. When you're struggling with something, go online and look for a great foster care book, a foster parenting book. If you want a good story, something that you can relate to, check out one of the great foster parent books written by foster parents themselves. There's so much information out there now that there wasn't beforehand 20, 30, 40 years ago, maybe even 10 years ago. Whether it's, the book Fostering Love or Foster Care Wisdom or the Foster Care Survival Guide or a number of my books or other books by great foster parent and foster care authors, I encourage you to go online and get a book for this year so you can have a book to learn from, to be motivated by, and inspired. As foster parents, we know that learning never stops, because every time we have a child placed in our home, guess what? We're probably going to learn something new, because each placement is a new experience, right? Every time we have a new child placed in our home, it's going to be a new experience, because that new placement brings with it unique situations unique to that child. So the tip is this week: go online, find a great foster parent book, whether to learn from or whether to be inspired and motivated from. For the Foster Care Institute, I'm Dr. John DeGarmo. Now I'm going to go back and reread one of my books. Happy reading.